Stereo installation kit designed to fit any standard 2-tall aftermarket radio. Painted scratch-resistant matte black. Modifications to the factory radio cavity are necessary. Designed for models without the factory 8.4 screen. Made from the highest quality ABS plastic for an original factory-like fit and finish. Includes brackets and hardware parts needed with detailed installation instructions. A tech support number is available for installation help 7 days a week. Look up your vehicle on the Metra Electronics Application Guide. Complete your radio provision with Metra. This mounting kit is ISO single DIN, painted matte black and fits 2013 and up RAM 1500/2500/3500 without 8.4 touchscreen. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. I have a single DIN player and ordered this to fit in my truck. After a slight modification of the player, it fits and works perfect. I did not have to alter the mount kit at all. I was worried because the stock location makes it hard to install aftermarket equipment, but it works.